Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this fall pumpkin cutout. I'm going to go in first with terracotta, and I'm going to paint my pumpkin here, and I'm also going to paint some of my greenery that's around my pumpkin. And then next I'm going to go in with the color Muscadine Wine, and I'm going to paint all of my flowers. Following that, I'm going to go in with the color Pine Cone, and I'm going to base coat some more leaves. Now I'm going in with Colonel Mustard. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the color Chocolate for my stem on my pumpkin. And then I'm going to paint my pumpkin in the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And all the colors that I've used in this video are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased online at buildacross.com. And really for the majority of this, I've used this number 12 flat. This is from the brush pack we sell on our website. Once I'm done base coating everything, I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry completely. And then once everything's dry, I'm going to begin to go in and add my details. So I'm going to start with the color Chocolate, and I'm going to just begin to outline my pumpkins and all of my leaves and greenery. And again, I'm just going over the lines that are etched into the cutout for me, so this step is very easy. I'm not having to worry about freehanding anything. And then I'm just using a number 4 round and the color Chocolate for this step. And then once I'm done with my chocolate color, I'm going to swap over to Putty and go over again all of those chocolate brown lines, just kind of adding a lighter color, adding some dimension and depth. And then that will complete my project. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.